After the ticket is created and let's say the notification is sent to our technician, we can start working on it. Change the status to in progress. Double-click on the ticket. Add the services and products that you will use to complete this repair. There are two ways of adding services and products. We can add a service manually. Click on Add Service, provide the name, price, cost, discount if needed, warranty, quantity, and we can also save it automatically to the service list for the future use. Click on Save. Another way, we can also add the service from the service list. Click on the value list, find the service, for example by name or barcode, and click on it. To add your own services, go to My Company, Services. Here we can edit, delete, or import our own categories, price lists, and services. Now we've added services, let's add products. Again, there are two ways. We can add them manually, click on Add Product, provide name, price, cost, and save. And we can also add products from our inventory. Use the drop-down list. Find the product by name, code, barcode, or serial number. Here you will see products that are on your stock. If you have different locations, you can decide if you want to search in all of them. If you have one location but different warehouses, when clicking on the product, you will choose which warehouse to take the product from. If you don't have the needed products in the stock, you can change the status to waiting for parts, add the product without the deduction, and wait until products are available. The order will be seen in a separate filter. When we receive products, we can add them to the ticket. Please note, to be able to add products from your inventory, you need to import stock levels. Information on how to do that can be found in our data center and in a separate video that will be available soon. You'll find the link in the description. All actions connected to these orders are also seen in Event Feed. You can control the whole activity here, when the action was done and who did it. For example, if someone will delete a service or change the price of the product, we will be able to see who did it and when. After we've changed the status to Done, our client will receive a notification about the finished repair and price. Remember, you can send notification not only to your employees, but to your clients as well. When the client comes to collect their device, we need to close the ticket. We change the status to Closed. Now we need to add the payment. We can choose the checkbox. It can be the cash or cashless payment, or we can also take payments due to the balance, which means this amount will be seen in the client's profile or in a separate section with balances on the Finances page. I will choose cash here. Also, here we can choose what documents to print after closing the ticket. For example, warranty card. The ticket is closed and the document will be printed. On every document, we can have the unique QR code or barcode that is connected to this ticket. That's how we can quickly find tickets in the whole list. All these actions that we just showed here in the web version are also available in the mobile app. You can create and edit tickets, add services and products, change statuses, add files and photos, and so on. You can use the mobile app especially if you have field services or if your employees prefer to use tablets or smartphones.